Custom 3D Design House Ceiling Decorating Ideas 2024, Part 1. Welcome to my channel where creativity meets architecture. In this video, we're thrilled to present the latest trend-setting ceiling design ideas for 2024 that will transform your house into a stunning masterpiece. Our team of skilled designers has curated a collection of custom 3D house ceiling decorations that are sure to inspire and captivate. House Ceiling Design Trends 2024. 1. Cosmic Illusions. Immerse yourself in the cosmos with this out-of-this-world ceiling design. Using a blend of deep blues, purples, and shimmering metallic accents, we've created a stunning galaxy-inspired masterpiece that will leave you stargazing from the comfort of your own home. 2. Nature's Canopy. Bring the outdoors in with a nature-inspired ceiling design. Delicate vines, leaves, and blooming flowers create a serene and refreshing atmosphere in any room. This design seamlessly blends the beauty of nature with the elegance of your interior. 3. Geometric Symmetry. Clean lines and geometric shapes take center stage in this contemporary ceiling design. By playing with patterns and shadows, we've crafted a modern masterpiece that adds a touch of sophistication to any living space. 4. Timeless Elegance. Elevate your home with a classic and timeless ceiling design. Intricate molding and coffered details create a sense of luxury and grandeur. This design pays homage to traditional aesthetics while still remaining relevant in today's design landscape. 5. Futuristic Minimalism. Embrace the future with a minimalist yet futuristic ceiling design. Sleek, smooth surfaces combined with strategic lighting create an atmosphere of simplicity and innovation. This design is perfect for those who appreciate a sleek and clutter-free aesthetic. 6. Cultural Fusion. Immerse yourself in a fusion of cultures with this globally inspired ceiling design. Incorporating patterns, motifs, and colors from around the world, we've created a design that celebrates diversity and creates a truly unique ambience. No matter your style preference, these custom 3D house ceiling decorating ideas are designed to transform your living spaces into works of art. Our team is dedicated to bringing you the latest in interior design trends, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Get ready to elevate your home to a new dimension of beauty and sophistication. Let's design your dreams together.